Earn money chatting with lonely people 2025. In today's digital world, many people are willing to pay for companionship and friendly conversation online. Whether it's to fight loneliness, get emotional support, or just have someone to talk to, numerous platforms allow you to earn money simply by chatting with others. In this video I will show you 5 reputable sites where you can get paid to chat with lonely people, along with their rates and features. And I will give you a link in my description. This is Norbipole TV. Please subscribe this channel for more profitable videos. Let's start. 1. Rent a Friend is one of the most popular platforms for paid companionship. It allows users to hire friends for both online and offline companionship. You can chat with people virtually through calls, texts, or video calls. Rates: you can set your own rate, but most companions charge between $10 to $50 per hour. 2. FriendPC is another platform that connects people looking for friends. Users can hire a virtual friend for various activities, including chatting or offering emotional support. Rates: on average, companions make $15 to $30 per hour. Top earners can make more based on demand and availability. 3. FlirtBucks is a chat platform specifically designed for women who want to earn money by chatting with men. The platform pays based on how long you chat, with higher rates for video chat. Rates: text chat starts at 10 cents to 15 cents per minute, while video chat pays between 40 cents to 50 cents per minute. 4. Frondly. This platform allows you to earn money by chatting with people through texts, calls, or video chats. It's designed as a flirtation platform, but it's strictly non-physical and does not involve in-person meetups. Rates: you earn 35 cents per message and $10 per video call. You can also earn tips, which increases your overall earnings. 5. ChatRecruit. This platform offers paid chatting opportunities across various niches, including adult chat and psychic services. While not limited to casual conversations, it provides multiple ways to earn by talking to people. Rates: earn $2 to $3 per minute for chats. Specialized services such as psychic readings can earn more. Finally, earning money by chatting with lonely people is a flexible way to make income online. These platforms provide a wide range of options, from friendly chats to specialized companionship. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time gig, these sites offer a fun and rewarding way to engage with others while getting paid. This is Norbipole TV. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video.